Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom filled with the music and flowers there lived a wise king who had the three sons. The king in his palace stood as a guardian of peace.
I will soar, I'm undefeated.
The time had come for the game to choose the next ruler, but instead of picking the oldest son to be the king, he gave them the test. To go out into the work, he said, and bring me the most precious and wise wife as gift to the kingdom. You can find the one with the best gift shall be the next king.
I will climb, I will soar, I'm undefeated. Oh,
I am so. The three brothers, brave Aaron, clever Zen, and the gentle Ryan, set off into different directions, each searching for something truly special.
I will climb, I will soar, I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the
Real, the youngest brother, R rode gently into the forest. Birds sang sweetly and trees whispered like old friends. But deep inside he lost his way, so Ryan got up from his horse and started walking in search of direction. Help. Ryan walked and did not know that he is going deeper inside the forest, where there was at most silence, rain. Then suddenly he felt some sound coming from nearby him. He got scared and confused at the same time, as if there were a thief or someone who was trying to hurt him. Ryan was in complete surprise when he saw a monkey in front of him. This monkey was no ordinary monkey. It was a princess monkey, a monkey wearing royal clothes, having a tiara on her head and looking straight into the eyes of Ryan. The monkey princess said to Ryan that not to be afraid of her, and she wanted him to listen to what she had to say. Ryan took a step back, and suddenly he realized that he should at once listen to the monkey princess, so he sat down nearby rock and started listening to the monkey princess. The monkey princess started telling her story, that how she lived a royal and luxurious life in a palace, and then after a curse she was turned into a monkey princess, and that she had a very hard time in this jungle living alone. She wanted to go back home, but it was nearly too impossible. Because had a special break that have to be done so that the princess could transform from monkey to human princess again. As Ryan was a very soft-hearted gentleman, he felt pain in every word of the monkey princess and became ready to help her at any cost so that he could go back to her palace, to her mother and father, and live a happy life. And so Ryan also told his side of the story to the monkey princess so that she could believe in him. But out of surprise, Ryan thought of taking her to the palace to his father as the most special and meaningful gift for him, as he saw monkey princess had a great heart too. So he offered monkey princess to get married to her. Monkey princess was surprised to hear that, but he had left with no other choice. To break the spell, she had to marry a prince of good heart and accept her as a monkey bride. So she said yes, and then there had a little wedding ceremony in the jungle, where a fairy godmother who was helping the monkey princess all the way to become human again, and other monkeys and animals were present, and also friends of Prince Ryan attended the wedding. After few days there, the time came when Ryan and his brothers were to return to the palace with their wife, so that the king could see that whom did his friends get married to, did they make their decision wisely for their self and the kingdom or not. All the kingdom people were present at that moment when all the three princes arrived with their wife. People were happy to see the elder to prince with their beautiful, tall, slim, elegant and decent wife. But when Prince Ryan entered the castle with his monkey wife, people with king all over surprised to see a monkey as the bride of Ryan. Now the king had no choice but to give a task to the newly wedded princesses along with the monkey princess, so that he could see which one of these ladies was wise enough to become a king wife and could lead his son as a king. So he handed over 3 lates of gold to each of the princesses and asked a question, that what is the most important thing in a princess' life, and especially when she becomes a wife of a king. To no surprise, the elder prince's wife gave the answer that all the wealth was most important to be again. Because more the wealth, then more the power, so she would go with wealth and hold. Here king got disappointed from her. The second princess said that cleverness is the key for a king to rule a country. The more a king and his queen are clever, the more they can handle every quest easily and can judge people, and also can earn and keep running a country wisely. Here too the king got disappointed. Now came the turn of monkey princess, and he was very knowledgeable about what was going on and what should be the answer of the question that king has asked. So she answered that for being a king or a king queen, it is at most important to have a kind heart to rule a country. Because a kind heart can always connect to the people and can always be ready to help anyone at any time. Because this is the main duty of a king and his name, to make their people life easy and happy, not their online happy only. Now this was the answer which the king was looking for, and he got quite impressed. King had a golden apple of kindness which he kept for years with him as his mother gave it to him. Now it was time he handed over this golden apple of kindness to the monkey princess. So he took the golden apple and hand gave it to the monkey princess. As soon as the golden apple came in monkey princess, and every of shivering glitter golden light started appearing around her, and all of a sudden in front of everyone's eye this monkey princess transformed into a beautiful princess with big eyes, red cheeks, pink lips, blonde hair. Every was in shock seeing her transform to this beautiful princess that they had never seen before. The king was happy as never before, and finally they celebrate from the monkey princess, and she became bride of Ryan, who was to read the next king of the kingdom, Prince Rain and Princess. Dance all night in joy and happiness and left happily ever after. They also wrote a note on the entrance of their kingdom for everyone to always remember that true beauty lies within. Never judge you or anyone other's appearance.